Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So far we've learned the G, C and D major chords, and we've also learned the A minor, E minor and D minor chords. So I want us to learn how to use these chords. We've not studied the F yet, but let's study how to use the A minor and the E minor in the G chords. So the G, C, D, we're going to add A minor, E minor. So the same G, C, D. Let's go to A minor, E minor, G. Let's go to D, A minor. Let's go to E minor. Let's go to G. And let's go to D. A minor. Let's go to C. Let's go to G. E minor and D. Let's go to A minor. Let's go to C. Let's go to D, G, E minor and D. A minor, then the C, then the G, E minor and the D. A minor, then the C and the G, E minor and the D. A minor, C major, G major, E minor, D major, A minor, C major, G major, E minor, D major, C major, D, G major, E minor, D minor, D major, C. We are just learning how to transition between all these chords. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. I just want you to know how important these minor chords fill this these major chords. When you combine them together, it sounds nicer and it feels a lot. And there's one thing that you need to note from the major scale, that the things that we learned. So apart from the one, so when I say one, I mean the do. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The do, the higher octave of the do is the 8. So they are basically 7 notes. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That's 1 to 7. So we want to look at their importance and how you can use them in your chords. So 1, 3, 5. Is that all? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. They are always major chords. So for G, for instance, I have G 4. So 1. Did I say 1, 3, 5? 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5 are always major chords. So 1, 4, 5. So the re, the number 2 is the A. So we play A minor there. So and the 3 is also another minor, and we've not learned the bar chords, but we move to. And the 4 is a major scale, major chord. 5 is the D. E is the 6 is the six is a minor. The T is a diminished chord, and back to the G. So that one will be for future. So let's focus on the major chords and the minor chords. So try and study the minor, G, D. You realize I've not used the D minor because D minor in G, D minor becomes a bit useless because it's supposed to be a major chord in the key G. It becomes very important when you're playing either F, which is a 6 for F, or playing C, which is a 2 for C. So we'll do that in the future when we are done with the F chord. Thank you. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if not. And yeah, see you next time. Subscribe, comment below if you have anything that you want me to clarify. Thank you. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see my videos.